Yeah, where are we leaving in 20 minutes to?
Somewhere.
Oysters! So we made our way to get oysters at Jim's Wild Oysters. The Sydney Rock oysters were my favourite. The prawns were and the scallops were okay. Bottoms up.
Oyster place done. We're going to the beach. Which beach though?
And so we make our way to Blenheim Beach. A much needed dip in this weather. And 3 of us go snorkeling. Look at these idiots collecting air for the bloody whatever they're sitting on. If it's stupid and it works, then it ain't stupid. And after spending such a relaxing arvo at the beach, we make our way back to the beach house.
We're going to dinner at the Butter Factory. This is great. Not leaving this place with a bad taste in our mouth.
Gavin, contribute to the video, you idiot.
Picking my nose.
Oh. Oh, clickbait. My friend picked his nose. Back home, we watched the footy.
Congratulations.
Bro. And those that didn't play board games because they were bored, get it?
No paparazzi, no paparazzi.
And celebrated Gavin's birthday.
What's wrong with that? What are you? It's not even toasted. It is toasted. Look at it.
Bruh.
Feel it. Feel it. You're a fucking idiot. Love me some medium rare toast. We're checking out of our beach house to go to Pyree.
Henry's found a new life hack on how to eat food on the go. Gotta eat food like this. You missed one. It's in there.
Could I grab 1 Nutella donut and 2 dozen of the cinnamon donuts?
Yeah, donut crew.
And home time.